30 pieces, purple ball pen, free sample receive. Hoy, unsa goy ballpen? Lapis, oy, lapis. Dili. Dara, oh, lapis. Oh, lapis. Lapis. 30 pieces, guys. Yan. Tsaka may naka-engrave ito na name ko, guys. Yan. May naka-engrave yan na name natin. At saka may pa-design sila, guys. Merong star. Meron ding, bulb. Meron ding heart. Yan. Super ganda talaga ng lapis na to, guys. Nag-effort talaga sila, guys. Meron ding heart. Yan. 30 pieces ito lahat, guys. Pili lang kayo ng color. Ako, purple yung kinuha kong kulay, guys. Thank you so much po sa nag-approve nito sa akin. Napakaganda po ng inyong product.